After you have logged into the Safety Certificate Management portal, you will be landing on the certificate request screens by default. In this page, if you click on the Bayer logo towards the left, this page will be expanded and you will be able to view the modules available. Currently, we are on the requests page and you can click on the case request. And if you again click on the Bayer logo here, the expanded page will be collapsed and you will be directed to the case summary page. There's another way to navigate to this page. I'm going back to the request page. You see a triangle icon towards the top right corner. If you hover over it, you see a help text saying, experiencing a technical issue, click here to raise an incident. Now, if you click on this icon, you will be directed to the case summary page. Here, you can create a new case by clicking on the create new case button towards the right. And on clicking on the button, you will be directed to the case request page where you can start by filling the mandatory details. Here you can see that the details that you've given during the registration in the portal are auto-populated, like your name, mobile, email, and country. Now you can start by filling the mandatory details. The first field is preferred contact method. This is how would you like to be communicated by the support team. You have three options here. You can either select any method, email, or phone. In my case, I would like to be communicated via email, so I'm selecting email. And the second field is last time it worked for me. This is the last time you were able to navigate to the portal without any issue. That date needs to be selected. For me, it's last week. I'm selecting last week. And the third one is user impact. You have three options here. The first one is intermittent issues affecting performance. If the issue is occurring infrequently, then you select the first option. And the second one is minor inconvenience workaround available. If the issue is minor and there's an alternative way to do it, you can select the second option. And the third one is unable to perform any work. If the issue that you're facing is blocking your performance in the portal, then you can select the third option. For me, it's a minor issue and it has an alternative way to do it. So I'm selecting the second option. And then you have the preferred time to contact, in between which you prefer the support person to contact you. Select the start time. I'm selecting 9 a.m. Click on OK. Select the end time. I'm selecting 5 p.m. Click on PM. Click on OK. And my time zone is IST. If you click on the arrow here, you have the list of all the time zones available. You can select the time zone according to your location. Now enter the short description of the issue that you're facing. Enter the description of the issue. Now click on submit if you want to submit the case request, or you can click on discard if you do not want to submit this request. I'm clicking on submit. You will receive a pop-up asking, are you sure you want to submit the request? Click on confirm. Now you will receive a notification saying incident created successfully. You will receive another notification saying fetching incident information, and you will be directed to the case summary screen where you will be able to see the incident that you have raised. Now, if you wish to view this incident, you can click on the incident ID here and the incident will be opened up for you. Now you can see that the status is assigned. After you finish viewing the incident, you can close it. And here we have short description that you've entered while creating this request, status, the last updated date, and in the action section, you have two options, adding comment and refresh. Now, if you wish to add any comment to this particular incident, you can click on this add comment button and add a comment. Click on submit. Now you receive a pop-up saying, "Are you sure you want to save?" Click on confirm. Now you receive a notification saying case comments updated successfully. Now, as soon as the incident is created, you receive an email from Bayer Safety Certificate Administrator stating, "Dear trader name, new incident has been created successfully with the below details." And the detailed information of the incident will be provided to you. And now that you've added an additional comment in the action section, the comment that you added will be visible in the incident. If you open this incident under the case comments, you will be able to see the comment that you added, and the trader name will be visible, and the created date will be also visible. Now, after you add this comment from your end, you will receive an email from the Bayer Safety Certificate Administrator stating, "Dear trader name, your incident has been updated successfully." You will get the detailed information, and you will also see the comment that you've added under the additional comments section. Now you can also search the particular incident. If you hover over this eye icon here, you see a small help text stating, "Please enter at least 3 characters." Search fields are incident ID or short description. Now you can use the search bar either by searching by incident ID or short description. I will, minimum of 3 characters are mandatory. I will search by using incident ID. Now, after you enter the numbers, that particular request will be populated according to the characters that you've entered in the search bar. After you clear the search bar, you will go back to the page where you were able to see all the requests that you have raised. Now you can view a request by filtering it out by status. Now we have status assigned and cancelled. Click on the filter icon here, select the state, selecting assigned. If you click on apply, the particular incident with that particular status will be populated. Now, if you want to go back, you can click on clear filters. It will clear the filters that you have selected. And now you click on apply, and you will be able to see all the requests that you have raised. Now, if you want to see if there is a status change in the request that you have raised, in the action section, you have a refresh button. You click on the refresh button, and the incident will be refreshed successfully. So previously the status was assigned, and now the status has changed to in progress. You can also view this by opening the incident. And you can also see that we have a case comment by the approval manager. And as soon as the incident is updated, you will receive an email from the Bayer Safety Certificate Administrator stating, "Your incident has been updated with the below details and the state has changed to in progress." And also you will see the additional comments that have been added to the incident by you and the approval manager. And if furtherly, if you wish to see if there is any change in the status, like if the status is changed to resolved or in progress, you can click on the refresh button here and there will be a change in the status.